In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password-protected page on Weebly. This is a handy feature if you're looking to restrict access to certain content on your site, ensuring that only those with the right credentials can view it. So, let's get started on how you can set this up. First, go ahead and open your Weebly site's editor. You'll see a variety of options at the top bar, but for our purposes today, you need to focus on the Pages option. This is where you control the structure and navigation of your Weebly site. Once you click on Pages, you'll be able to see a list of all the pages you currently have set up on your site on the left sidebar. Next, from this left sidebar, scroll through and locate the specific page that you want to secure with a password. Clicking on the page you want to protect will bring up its settings. Now, this is the area where you can manage various aspects of page customization, but to find what we need, look for the option labeled Visibility. This is crucial because it controls who can view your page. Once you've clicked on Visibility, a menu will appear with different options for how your page can be accessed. The option you're interested in here is Site Password. Choosing this option will allow you to set up a password for that particular page, effectively restricting access. After selecting Site Password, you'll be prompted to enter a password of your choice. Make sure it's both secure and memorable for those you wish to grant access to. Once you've entered your desired password, your page is now password protected. It's as simple as that. Remember, this password can be changed whenever you feel the need, giving you control over who has access at any time. However, it's important to note that this password protection feature is only available for those on a professional plan or above. So, if you're currently on a free or starter plan, you'll need to upgrade your subscription to utilize this feature. This is probably a good investment if managing access to certain content is critical for your website's needs. And that's all there is to it. We've successfully taken you through the steps of securing a page on your Weebly site with a password. Hopefully, this has made the process clear and easy for you to follow. Keeping content secure is crucial for private or unique offerings. And now you know exactly how to do it on Weebly. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!